Sabadi, I'm Penn Hongthong. Welcome to Simple Lao Cuisine. Laos is between Vietnam and Thailand. I will show you how to make simple, healthy, and tasty meal that take about 10 minutes to cook each dish. Lao food is gluten-free and dairy-free. Traditional Lao cooking use 5% meats and 95% vegetables and get help from the MSG. Here in America, I feel that we eat 95% meats and 5% vegetables. I learned to cook from my mom and grandma. I have made some change and compromise. I don't use MSG and I use 30% meat and a lot of fresh herbs to flavor 70% vegetables. The vegetables are good for you. I will show you how to cook it and season it correctly. It will taste so good, you'll eat more of it. Hot peppers are my friends. For me, good food is like smiling. When adding hot peppers, it's laughing, ha ha ha. Some of you might call it crying, but don't worry. If you're not hot like me, leave it on the side. Hot people eat up. It's good for you, and you can join my Super Hot Club. Today, I have very special guest with me, my mom, Penn Hongthong. He's going to be doing a lot of Lao cooking with me. And today, I have four guests also. I have my daughter Sutara, Jane Klein, Denise, and Christine. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, I hope you're hungry. So today I'm making grilled fish, bamboo shoot with fresh herbs, and roasted green pepper sauce, which my mom's gonna make. Okay, let's put my friends aside here a little bit. Let's start cooking. I have here fish. I was going to use the whole fish, but it's with the bones and all that, and not many people will be happy with that, so I'm using tilapia fillet. Here, Mom, would you like to cut this lemongrass for me? Mẹ tắt anh này này. Soy. Okay, this is lemongrass. If you never have you guys had this lemongrass before? No? Okay, this is what you peel. It's a little bit longer. I cut it up because I'm wash it first and tắt đi ong là soy này nè. And here I'm gonna hands it. You have to pinch it and smell it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a. Okay, let's come out. I need the two. Oh, I see. All right. Let me see, Mom. Okay. Your mom's cut it very thin. I am fast, and I can't cut it that thin. You have to cut across the grain. Let's see, it's not that much fish. That's good enough. I will put in the food processor. Mom will be putting it in this mortar and pestle and pound it all day, but we'll have Mom exercise later. So lemongrass is grown wild in Laos, and it's very inexpensive, but in here, anything that's inexpensive is become very expensive. Okay, I'm gonna, instead of mortar and pestle, I'm gonna use this mini chopper. You like that better than mortar and pestle, Mom? Okay, I'm gonna add some, that's lemongrass, garlic will go in here. Okay, where is it? Oh, I thought I was missing something. Let's see, I know how to work this. Okay, that's done. Ma'am, that's good. And now I will add to the fish that I have here. See, that was so quick. Vậy bố mẹ. Wow đi mẹ. Lưu bây chắc tầm xoay khúc. You want to plant this on the mortar and pestle? No? Okay. Okay. That's good. Mom said it's blended in a food processor is faster, she said. This is soy sauce. Fish sauce. Yeah, she said we don't have this in the so we only have the mortar and pestle. And it's black peppers, half teaspoon. I have a tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of fish sauce, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black peppers, and this is olive oil. If I do the whole fish, this will go on the grill, but with the fillet, and I don't want to do that, so I would just coat this. If you marinate this overnight in the refrigerator, it will taste better. And this will go in the oven. But usually in the summer like this, I will throw them on the grill in the backyard, and we'll use the whole fish. It works better than fillet. All right, this will go. Let's marinate this well. All right, that's done. This will go in the oven, 375 for maybe 15-20 minutes. In there, I need something. I have one here is already made. Oh, problem. With the cheese here. Okay, let that cook. And to serve with this, there's another side dish that will go with that. Let's Mom make here. This is bamboo shoots. They'll look like this. Ma'am, I have a can over here. A can come in a can like this in Laos. Of course, it's fresh. It will look like this in a can, but they come many different shape and size. And this is what they look like. Okay, Mom here's. So I open the can. This is one can for the recipes. And I open the can. I boil it a little bit because anything in the can, you want to reheat it a little bit. So Mom's going to julienne this right here. Go ahead, Mom. And then this will go in the sink. In the meantime, while Mom's doing that, that one is the bamboo shoot with the fresh herbs. Okay.
Did your mom teach you to cook?
Yes. Oh, my mom is my master. Thank you for asking me that. That's why I brought her here, because she taught me how to cook all this stuff. So I'm gonna cut some. You like spicy, Denise, Christine?
I like spicy.
Yeah, a little bit or a lot. Don't tease me about my Penn hot peppers. I can put a lot in there. And I know you, Jane, you like spicy. You've been to Laos a couple of times. Are you going again soon?
I hope.
Yeah.
Love to.
My friend Marshall's are going soon. Okay, so I'm gonna add, while Mom's doing that, I'm gonna add some red onions here. I like red onions because anything colorful is good for you. So I'm gonna julienne this, cut it very, very thin slice. And I like the color. I always pick colorful herbs because they're better for you. And I'm gonna add some herbs, gonna go in here. I wanna add the red pepper for color. Wash it first, wash everything very well, because I need some color in there. I'm gonna cut it very thin. How you doing, Mom? Ma'am? Oh, Mom's very fast.
ใส่มานี่
แม่เฮ็ดไวเนาะเก่ง แม่ She's very experienced because she does this all the time. Okay, in there I'm gonna add fish sauce. I have to add the fish sauce because fish sauce is made from fish. You guys have it before when I did the other classes. This is how I cut my lime. I cut it on the side. I turn over, cut the other side. I'm cutting around the center. That way it's easier to squeeze. I have fish sauce in here. Fish sauce have that fishy smell, so you don't like it, and you can leave it out. But for me, I'm gonna kill that fishy smell and leaving only nice flavor with lime. So I'm gonna squeeze the lime in here. Okay, make it a little bit. There you go, Mom. Here. You can use this here. And we will add some herbs. And can I add this, my friend's hot peppers here a little bit? Yeah? Some more left, right? You will see here it laughing. I'm not going to add too much. I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to leave it in a baked pieces like that. If you see it, and don't eat it, okay? If it's too hot for you. It's hot. Can I do 2 or 3 or 4, 5? How many? I can keep going, you know. Okay, I'm gonna put in the baked piece, and then don't eat the pieces, okay? Gonna add the peppers in here, and some of the onions, and red peppers, and a little bit of salt. And there's fresh herbs going in there too. Okay. There you go. I think we need some more lime, a little bit more.
พอแล้ว สีส้ม
Well, okay. Mom said that's enough. That's enough lime. Okay, this is scallions. I'm gonna coarsely chop this. Add as much herbs as you want because herbs is very good for you. They make the food taste very good, and it's very good for you. Okay, let me see. How are we doing here? Okay, add some nice color in here. Bamboo shoot, I also heard the bamboo shoot is very good for you, lower the cholesterol or something. So, you know, we eat a lot of bamboo shoot in Laos because in season right now, it's plenty in the forest, in the woods, plenty of them. And everywhere you go, it's free, just go get them. But over here, of course, we eat in a can. But if you go to Laos right now, there's plenty in the market everywhere. They will harvest them the night before and they sell them the next day. By the end of the day, every bamboo should have to be sold and eaten. We don't buy stuff and put them in a refrigerator like here, right? Remember that in Laos? Every morning we go to the market. You went to Luang Prabang.
Of course.
You like that very much.
I did.
Next time I have a very special friend over there that I'm gonna have you visit. My mom's friend. She's the princess. I didn't want to let you know that because I wasn't allowed. She came here to visit, so I took my mom to visit her. But because I have never met her, and now we met, so I'm gonna tell you to go visit her when you go to
do
Luang
that.
Prabang next time.
โอ้มีแม่ก็เอามานี่นะพอมาเพิ่นเบิ่งนี่
Okay. Yes, later, ma'am. She wants to show you her sister's picture. Okay, there's bamboo shoots, and now we're gonna add some herbs in here. This scallions. Here you go, ma'am. Mix that. And cilantro. You guys like cilantro, Denise and Christine? Yeah. You're not sure. Sometimes cilantro is different for everybody, and it's some very few people gonna love it immediately. You love it, right,
Yeah.
Jane? And Suta grew up with it. My daughter grew up with it, so she just loves it like me. So a lot of people not sure, but sometimes the combination with other ingredients, you might change your mind. So we'll see if Christine's gonna change her mind today. I'm gonna cut off the stem here, wash it very well, because it has a lot of sand. This grow on the ground. So I like to add a lot of fresh herbs. It's just freshen up the dish. So I heard that it's good for you. I just add more. I already add a lot to begin with, and I heard it's a lot, so I add more. Okay, here you go. I'm gonna save a little bit for garnish. Okay, bring me that bowl, ma'am. So we're gonna plate this, and we have one more sauce to go with this, so I can have you. So that looks very nice. A lot of fresh herb. There's tons of fresh herb that we added to the food. We don't add a little pinch. We don't do dry herbs. We do fresh, and fresh. Okay. And garnish here. And that's done. Put this in the sink, ma'am. And here too. Okay, I have one more dish before I can serve you this. Okay. Let me wipe this clean a little bit. A little messy here. I try to be clean. So messy. All right. Bring me the basket, ma'am. I'll get that. Okay, this is done. Just move it away. Okay, hot roasted green pepper. This is not very hot. I could use very hot pepper, but to me this is not hot because I am hot, so this is nothing. If you use that chili Thai peppers, oh, that is extremely hot. I'm gonna cut here, wash everything before you cut into it. I'm gonna cut it in 3, and me and mom are going to have a competition of making hot sauce. So what I do is I put these peppers in here. I have here is garlic. Let's see this. I'm gonna slice this a little bit and put it in here.
Those are onions?
Oh, this is shallot, sorry, garlic, shallot, and hot pepper. If you like it more spicy, you can use a very spicy pepper, but this is very mild. Actually, this dish, we don't make it too spicy, but not too spicy. Some hot sauce, we make them very, very spicy. What I do is just fold it and fold the ends, and this is very easy to roast this. What do? You just turn on the
เอา
stove.
เขาเอาเท่าไหร่
Oh my God, I forgot to make the rice. Okay, let's go back to. No one told me to make sticky rice. I thought it's steaming. We need sticky rice to eat. Oh wow! Oh my God! I can't believe I forgot to make sticky rice. So this is a bamboo basket. Well, no rice for this. Okay, what you do is I soak the sticky rice first. I'm draining it. I thought I put it in already. That was the first thing I supposed to do. Okay, let's drain it well. So what we do to make sticky rice, it's very simple, but you need the right equipment. You need this part because the shape it is like this. It's because designed to hold up the basket. The basket, the bottom is small, and so it's holding up. Okay, and the sticky rice you have, it's not regular rice. That's how it grows. You have to soak it at least 2 hours. I'll do like soak in the morning and cook them at night. So you soak it. You have to be soaked to cook it. So I'm gonna let it steam. The water come up to here so it doesn't touch the rice. And right now we're gonna need a lid to put this on. Okay, let me find a lid for that. So we'll make it cook faster. Let's see if we can cook this fast. I can't believe I forgot to cook sticky rice. What kind of loud girl am I? Okay, let's go back to this roasting the peppers. I use medium. What do? You just put it on like this and let it cook. And in 5 or 6, 7 minutes, I'll turn over. If you put on high, it will cook faster. And this is what we get. And me and Mom, we are going to have a competition. Peppers, garlic, and shallot we have in here. Mom, that's yours. Let's see who's going to do this faster. Mom said, of course, I'm not going to win. You have the machine. Right, Mom? เบิ่งดูไผสิแข่งกันแม่ไผสิแล้วก่อน
เจ้าเนี่ยแล้วก่อนใครอ่ะ
แม่มายืนอยู่พี่แม่มายืนอยู่พี่ Okay, that's yours อันนั้นของเจ้า
หมดตัดก้นน้ำหนัก
ตัดแล้วนี่ And this is mine. All right, we're gonna count down, okay, Mom? Let me see here.
1 2 3
Yep, 1 2 3. Okay. All right. Oh, she's going already. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
เป็น
Look,
น้ำ
she's want to win. She's going already. That's how we make roasted green pepper sauce. Okay, 1 2 3, go, ma'am. 1 2 3. Mom's exercising. What do you think, Mom? แม่เบิ่งดู
Yeah
พอดีบ่ Okay.
ตึงก้อนมาเลยค่ะ
มันเล็กโคตรมันก็บ่แซ่บ
เอาห้อมมาใส่นี่ก็ได้
Okay, yeah, we need cilantro for that.
ตำแจ่วอันนี้นะแจ่วเขาไม่กล้ากิน
Okay, she says making hot sauce for American. Ready, Mom? Okay. A little bit more for me and you. Making a mess. All right. One more shot for me. Okay. You need a little